Good morning, I'm Sweeney. Today we're going to discuss the triathlon, and specifically the transition portion of the triathlon. Now remember, a triathlon is made up of 3 events. First comes the swim, then comes the bike, followed by the 3rd event, which is the run. It's very important that when you go through your transition areas, transition area 1, where you're going to go from the swim to the bike, and then transition number 2 when you go from the bike to the run. You want to have everything set up and in order as you're going to go through your triathlon. You can see that your area you want your area clean and unobstructed from around you, so that way you can move in your transition area and move out without tripping all over your equipment. You'll see here for transition number 1, which is from the swim to the bike, that you want to have everything staged. You'll notice that I have my helmet, which is a requirement. You will not be allowed to enter or exit the transition area without wearing a helmet. First, you want to put your glasses on, so you go ahead, you can put your glasses on, followed by your helmet. The reason that you want to have your glasses on first is that when you come back into the transition area, more than likely you're going to wear your glasses into the run portion. If you put your glasses on second, then your glasses would be on the outside of the straps, and as you took your helmet off, your glasses are going to go flying. And we don't want that. Next, you can see that you have your shoes. So once your helmet and your glasses are on, we're going to move right into putting on our shoes. So as you come up, you'll have a towel. You can dry your feet, get any sand off that you need to get off, and you can slide your feet directly into your shoes. You have your helmet on, you have your glasses on, and you have your shoes on, and you're ready to take off and begin the bike portion of the triathlon. When you return, again, you're going to have the same order. So you're going to have your helmet, you're going to come into the transition area, and you're going to take your helmet off. The next thing you want to do is take your shoes off. They can go into the same spot. You just clip your shoes right off, and now you're ready to put on your number. For the run portion, you have to have a number, and that's how they're going to track you and know who you are during the running portion. So you're going to put that number on, and then you're going to go ahead and put your running shoes on. Once you get your running shoes on, you have your number, you grab a bottle of water to hydrate yourself while you're going through your run. You'll be back in no time for the completion of your first triathlon. So we discussed the safety equipment that you need, the transition setup. Couple of tips: make sure your area is free and you want everything in order. Make sure that the proper sequence is used when putting on your helmet and your glasses so they don't go flying off when you return, and that you can move from transition 1 to the bike and then from transition 2 to the run without any hindrance. Thank you, and good luck on your first triathlon.